This is the PowerG Wireless Carbon Monoxide Detector, which is built on a superior core platform to provide reliable protection against CO exposure. The detector monitors CO gas levels in the room and provides early warning before potentially dangerous levels are reached. Fully certified by strict international standards, it delivers exceptional performance and is easy to install and maintain. Let's see how to attach the detector's mounting base to the installation surface. Start by choosing the correct location to place the detector, according to the installation instructions and local regulations, on the ceiling or wall. Drill 2 holes in the surface at the right distance apart. Insert 2 screws, one on each side of the mounting base, and attach it to the surface. This is how to insert the battery in the detector. Before inserting the battery for the first time, you'll need to enroll the device in the control panel. Please check the installation instructions to do so. Grasp the detector in the palm of your hand, facing downwards. Use a 3-volt lithium battery and make sure the battery is facing the correct direction. Press the battery down and click it into place. Installing the detector on the mounting base is simple. Place the detector underneath the mounting base and turn the detector clockwise until it clicks into place, so it is fully secured. This is how to replace the battery once the detector is already installed. Hold the detector in the palm of your hand and rotate it counterclockwise to release it from the mounting base. Use a small flathead screwdriver and press it gently between the positive polarity and the battery contact, and remove the battery. After 1 minute, insert a new 3-volt lithium battery and make sure the battery is facing the correct direction. Then close the detector by rotating it clockwise on the mounting base until you hear a click.